Guys, welcome to another lecture from Introductory Statistics. We have been working on conditional probability, right? And today I have one question to discuss with you guys, which would have certain stages, and let's answer a couple of questions associated to these cases. A chain of video stores sell three different brands of DVD players. Of its DVD player sales, 50% are brand 1, the least expensive one, 30% are brand 2, and 20% are brand 3. Each manufacturer offer a 1-year warranty on parts and labor. It is known that 25% of brand 1's DVD players require warranty repair work, whereas the corresponding percentages for brands 2 and 3 are 20% and 10% respectively. We need to answer the following question. The first question: what is the probability that a randomly selected purchaser has bought a brand 1 DVD player that will need repair while under warranty? What is the probability that a randomly selected purchaser has a DVD player that will need repair while under warranty? And the third question: if a customer returns to the store with a DVD player that needs warranty repair work, what is the probability that it is a brand 1 DVD player, a brand 2 DVD player, a brand 3 DVD player? So this is a typical question based on conditional probabilities and multiplication rules that we have learned previously. So let's understand this case once again. You have a chain of video stores. What is given to us is that it is selling three different brands of DVD players, brand 1, brand 2, brand 3. 50% in the store are of its DVD player sales, 50% are brand 1, 30% brand 2, 20% brand 3. So construct this case and try to understand the probabilities that we require, understand the case first, and then hence find the probabilities thoroughly. So I'm going to assume certain events associated to brand 1, brand 2, brand 3. That's the case about, right? The case is about, it involves buying DVDs or it involves selecting brands, right? So let's say AI is the event that brand I is purchased, where I goes from 1 to 3. I can take these values because brand 1, brand 2, brand 3. So therefore, we know that probability A1, probability that brand 1 is purchased is 50%, so 0.5. Probability A2, that basically brand 2 is purchased, is it's given to us, it's 0.3. Probability brand 3 DVD player is purchased is 0.2. तो कहानी ये है कि आपने DVD player purchase किया. The second stage is that it may require repair under warranty, right? तो सेकेंड स्टेज के हिसाब से कुछ इवेंट हमें यहां पर लेना पड़ेगा. सेकेंड स्टेज के हिसाब से लेट्स कंस्ट्रक्ट आवर इवेंट. लेट्स टेक B this time. We can take B as the event that the DVD player that has been purchased needs repair. So B complement automatically becomes that it does not need repair. Let's get back to the question to check what further is provided to us. Apart from the probabilities that brand 1, 2, 3, which one we are purchasing, apart from that, we are provided that it is known that 25% of brand 1's DVD players require warranty repair, whereas the corresponding percentages for 2 and 3 are 20 and 10% respectively. So in terms of the events that I have constructed, इसका क्या मतलब हो गया? So that means in terms of the events that I have constructed, it would mean that probability it needs repair, that is probability B, condition 2, that is if it is brand 1 is equal to, it is saying 25% chance, so 0.25. Similarly, for brand 2, it requires repair given its brand 2 is 20%, so 0.2, and probability it requires repair given it is brand 3 is equal to 10%, so it is 0.1, 0.25, 0.2, 0.1. In terms of probabilities, this is what has been provided to us. After that, they have asked us certain questions. The first one was, what is the probability that randomly selected purchaser has bought a brand or brand 1 DVD player that will need repair while under warranty? जिसका मतलब है कि मुझे क्या निकालना होगा? मुझे निकालना होगा कि probability रिपेयर भी चाहिए एंड ब्रांड 1 भी होना चाहिए, दोनों चीजें होनी चाहिए. So that means it is probability B intersection A1. Multiplication rule से मुझे पता है कि this is actually equal to probability B condition to A1 multiplied by probability that it is A1, right? So therefore, I have this probability 0.25 and I have this probability which is 0.5. So that means what I get here is, this will give me 0.125 or 12.5% is the chance that it requires repair and it's brand 1. The next question that has been asked is, what is the probability that a randomly selected purchaser has a DVD player that will need repair while under warranty? Which means, this was part A, so part B means that we need to find the probability that whichever one has been selected, whichever one has been purchased, it requires repair. It needs to be repaired under warranty. So that means I require probability of this event B. Now B is the probability of B is the event that whatever DVD you have purchased, you need repair. You need to repair it. अब ये जो डीवीडी हमने परचेज किया वो तो ब्रांड 1 की भी हो सकती है, ब्रांड 2 की भी हो सकती है और ब्रांड 3 की भी हो सकती है. इसका मतलब this probability could be taken as probability that this needs repair and it is brand 1. It is could also be the case, so I'll have to add that probability B and A2 because हो सकता है वो brand 2 का हो, plus probability B and A3 because हो सकता है वो brand 3 का हो. So this is the concept of total probability. You'll have to sum it up. You'll have to add up all these probabilities. क्योंकि B तो कहीं से भी आ सकता है ना. B is associated to brand 1 also, 2 also and 3 also. तो ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि ब्रांड 1 का हो, ब्रांड 2 का हो, ब्रांड 3 का हो, तो मुझे तीनों प्रोबेबिलिटीज लेनी पड़ेंगी साथ में. नाउ दिस प्रोबेबिलिटी इज नथिंग बट B intersection and is nothing but intersection in sets. So this becomes probability B condition to A1 into probability A1. By multiplication rule, this becomes B condition to A2 into probability A2. This becomes probability B condition to A3 into A3. So ये आपने ये वाला तो हमने निकाला ही है 0.125. The others also we can easily find out because we are given that this is 0.2 and this is, we are given 0.3. We are given that this is 0.1 and this is 0.2. So that means what we get from here is 0.125 plus 0.06 plus 0.02. This will give us 0.2 0.205. That is 20.5%. Okay, in terms of percentages, if we see. And this is what I get from here. अब अगर हम इसका अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, अगला क्वेश्चन कह रहा है इफ अ कस्टमर रिटर्न्स टू द स्टोर with a DVD player that needs warranty repair, what is the probability that it is a brand 1 DVD player, brand 2 DVD player, brand 3 DVD player? तो अब यहाँ पर सोचिए क्या पूछा जा रहा है आपसे। यहाँ पे आपसे पूछा जा रहा है कि what is the probability कि it is brand 1, it is brand 1 DVD player that has come to your shop for repair and it has come for repair. So that means given it needs रिपेयर, सो हमें अब क्या निकालना है, हमें निकालना है क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि मुझे ये जो डीवीडी प्लेयर आया है दैट्स फ्रॉम ब्रांड 1 गिवन कि ये रिपेयर के लिए आया है, सो गिवन इट इज फॉर रिपेयर। तो अब आप सोचिए क्या होती है कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी। कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी इज A1 कंडीशन 2, B is probability of the intersection A1 and B upon probability B। अब बताइए क्या हमारे पास A1 इंटरसेक्शन B है? बिल्कुल है, हमने निकाला था पहले केस में। Whether I write B intersection A1 or A1 intersection B, it's the same thing. So it is 0.125। क्या हमारे पास probability B है? बिल्कुल है, it is 0.205. So turns out to be 0.61. अब हमसे पूछा है, इसी में दूसरा पार्ट था कि what is the probability that the DVD that has come to you is from brand 2 given it needs repair? Absolutely on the similar lines, right? So A2 intersection B upon probability B again. Do we have A2 intersection B? Remember in the previous case हमने यहाँ पे निकाला था. So it is nothing but 0.06. 0.06, or in other words it's basically आपने ये conditional कैसे निकाली with the help of the other conditional, क्योंकि जो intersection है वो तो दोनों में ही आता है and probability B is 0.205, so turns out to be 0.29. And the third case was probability A3 given B is equal to probability A3 intersection B upon probability B. So it is going to be हमने निकाला था 0.020, 0.02 upon 0.205, which will give us, use your calculator, you will figure out that you're getting 0.0975 something, 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 which you can also almost say that it is very close to 0.1. मैं 0.1 इसलिए भी कह रही हूँ क्योंकि अगर आप इसको कैलकुलेट करो ना, आप कैसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो? देखिए, प्रोबेबिलिटी A3 कंडीशन 2B, मतलब A3 का डीवीडी प्लेयर था, गिवन उसको रिपेयर चाहिए। देखिए देर आर ओनली 3 ब्रांड्स, 1 2 3, तो डीवीडी प्लेयर कोई फोर्थ नहीं है, फोर्थ ब्रांड नहीं है हमारे केस में, सिर्फ 3 ही ब्रांड्स है, राइट? सो प्रोबेबिलिटी that it's a brand 3 condition 2B comes for repair plus probability that it is brand 2 condition 2 that it is coming to repair plus probability brand A1 मतलब brand 1 condition 2 that it is coming for repair, this has to be equal to 1 क्योंकि रिपेयर के लिए तो कुछ ना कुछ आ ही रहा है। अब वो या तो ब्रांड 1 होगा या ब्रांड 2 होगा या ब्रांड 3 होगा, राइट? उसके अलावा तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता। सो दिस गिव मेक्स इट 100%, राइट? तो अगर हम प्रोबेबिलिटी A3 गिवन B लेंगे तो वी कैन ऑल्सो फिगर इट, सो वी कैन इवन यूज द प्रीवियस प्रोबेबिलिटीज 0.29, 0.61 in order to get this probability, almost 0.1 के बराबर ही यहां से भी निकल के आएगा। सो ये मैंने क्यों बोला, क्योंकि ये आपको पता होना चाहिए। द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी वी हैव डिस्कस दैट बिफोर। किसी भी सिनेरियो में यूज कर सकते हो इसको आप, कि कब आपका टोटल जो है प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 ही होगा। इसी सिनेरियो को यू कैन इवन डिपिक्ट इट यूजिंग अ ट्री डायग्राम। द एंटायर सिनेरियो अभी जो हमने समझा है, देखिए देयर आर 3 ब्रांड्स, राइट? अगर मैं ब्रांड 1 को यहां लेती हूं, so this is an event A1 that I'm buying, whatever is being purchased is brand 1. This is A2, this is A3. So this means brand 2, this means brand 3. Now probabilities have been provided to us. This was 0.5. This is 0.3 and this probability is 0.2. ठीक है, ये हमें प्रोवाइड करा हुआ है। उसके आगे अगला स्टेज आता है कि या तो रिपेयर होगा या रिपेयर नहीं होगा। तो दो चीजें हो सकती है ना, या तो रिपेयर होगा या इट डजंट नीड एनी रिपेयर, सो नो रिपेयर। तीनों के केस में ये हो सकता है, रिपेयर, नो रिपेयर। ऐसे यहां पर भी रिपेयर, नो रिपेयर, राइट? सो अगर हम रिपेयर की बात कर रहे हैं तो व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट विल बी एसोसिएटेड फ्रॉम हियर? द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट वुड बी एसोसिएटेड हियर इज प्रोबेबिलिटी B condition to A1 and this will be probability B complement condition to A1, क्योंकि A1 पहले हो चुका है, right? And this probability will turn out to be, it's given to us 0.25, so this will be 0.75. इसी तरीके से यहां पर आएगा probability B condition to A2 which was given to us as 0.2. So probability B complement condition to A2 is 0.8. इसी तरीके से probability B condition to A3 will be associated to this branch which was given as 0.1. Probability B complement given A3 which is 0.9. अब हमें क्या निकालना है? हर ब्रांच से आपको कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा। अब अगर आप इसको प्रोडक्ट करते हो, अगर आप ये ब्रांच का प्रोडक्ट करते हो तो आपको क्या मिल रहा है? Probability B condition to A1 into probability A1, which is 0.25 into 0.5. This, my friends, is probability B intersection with A1. ऐसे ही करके यहां से आई आपकी probability when you multiply this branch. तो आपका कॉम्प्लीमेंट के साथ इंटरसेक्शन आएगा। यहां पर आपका जैसे हमने निकाला था B and A2 एंड ऐसे ही B and A3 एंड इस तरीके से जैसे हमने सॉल्व किया था आप ब्रांचेस के हिसाब से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। इट्स एब्सोल्युटली अप टू यू, आपको किस तरीके से सॉल्व करना है। यस, पढ़ना आना चाहिए, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि अगर आप कभी कोई बुक देख रहे हो किसी में किसी तरीके से सॉल्व करा हुआ है, आर यू एबल टू रीड आउट दैट सॉल्यूशन टू योरसेल्फ एंड एक्सप्लेन इट टू योरसेल्फ? Okay, I hope this concept gets very much clear in your head, and I'm not naming this concept right now, but in the next few lectures we will be working on the similar concept with a name to it. Thank you very much.